Friends, today we're gonna learn the procedure about how to insert the Ryle's tube, which is also called the nasogastric tube. So, indication of putting in the nasogastric tube or the Ryle's tube is when the patient is nil per oral, or he is not able to take orally, or he is in unconscious mode, or the patient is dull and drowsy, or we have some suspicion or anticipation that patient can aspirate into lungs, whatever feedback we can give. So that's why, to prevent the aspiration and to assist the oral intake, we insert the Ryle's tube in the patient. So first of all, you need to take the consent for the before any procedure. For this, if patient is conscious oriented, we take the consent from the patient and also from the attendant. If patient is not in the mood, in the condition he can give the consent, then you take the consent from the attendants. So I have already explained the procedure to the attendant. Now I will although this patient is quite dull and drowsy, still I will try to explain. Uncle, जीभ दिखाइए जरा. Uncle, इधर पास में जीभ दिखाइए, आँख खोलिए. ओके, सो ही इज नॉट कम्प्लीटली डल एंड ड्राउजी. एक छोटी सी नली डालेंगे हम नाक से, ठीक है. जब बोलेंगे थूक निकलो या पानी निकलो तो निकलना, इसको गले में रोकना नहीं है. So I already wear the hand gloves. You have to wear the sterile gloves before every procedure, and this is 14 gauge full nasogastric tube, and you will use the lignocaine 2% lignocaine jelly, so that patient don't feel the irritation or the pain but inside the nasal cavity, and procedure goes smooth. So like this you can apply the jelly so that it would be easier to navigate, and you should go from upper margin if possible. अंकल निकलना है, निकलते जाओ, रोको नहीं, निकलते जाओ. शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. निकलते जाओ, पानी थूक गिरते जाओ. शाबाश, निकलो. शाबाश, निकलते जाओ. शाबाश, निकलो, थूक गिलो. जैसे पानी पीते हैं, थूक निकलते जाओ. शाबाश. मुंह खोलो जरा, मुंह खोल के दिखाओ. You have to ask the patient if he is little bit conscious to open the mouth to see whether. Okay. So the tube inside the oral cavity is not visible, so probably it is going inside. बस हो गया. How you would check the इसको ऊपर करो. Now you have to check whether it is inserted in the stomach or not. So you have to hear the sound in the epigastric region. When she will push the air inside, you will feel it. Okay, so it is very nicely. It is very nicely. You can hear the sound from here. Okay, fine. The other thing is you can check it by एक बार फिर से रुको. If you don't have the stethoscope with you, then also you can feel the pressure in the hand. Yes, एक बार और fast. Okay, so I am able to hear the sound which is transmitting through here and also through this aspect. Now our senior sister will fix this. She is very expert in assisting the procedures. So
निकाल दूं ग्लव्स.
हाँ निकालो. So also you use the nasogastric tube for the gastric lavage if there is indication after any history of unknown substance consumed or some suspected poisoning. Then in such cases where you can do the gastric lavage, then also you use the nasogastric tube. And also in case of small intestine obstruction, when patient is complained of abdominal pain, vomiting, and continuous vomiting, abdominal pain, then also you need to put the Ryle's tube. So it helps in the decompression of the stomach, and this tension is also a little bit reduced. So you have to cut like this, and this is the way. One end on the front and on the dorsum of the nostril, and other by encircling from this. So you can see how much easy is this procedure. Only thing you need to remember that don't push too hard and go from up. It would be easier. And patient position should be supine. As you can see, he has the abdominal distension. Today he will get his CT done so that we can rule out if there is any obstruction. Also, one more thing I want to make you learn. In case of obstruction, vowel sounds will not be much appreciable. Done?